Physics Toolbox AR combines magnetometer readings from your mobile device with an understanding of its environment to visualize three-dimensional magnetic field vectors. It can be useful for exploring the Earth's background field, permanent magnets, and even current-carrying wires. You can either download the free standalone Physics Toolbox AR app or access the AR mode from within Physics Toolbox Sensor Suite. Your device must be compatible with AR Core or AR Kit. To begin, launch the app and click through the tutorial. Before collecting data, however, it is important to know where the magnetometer is located. Most devices' magnetometers are placed somewhere near the top of the device, next to the camera. We recommend that you take a small magnet and move it around the back casing to find the location where it produces the maximum reading. The magnetometer is located at that point. You can place a small sticker to have a visual reminder. Probe your environment from this reference point as you collect data. Because the device uses the camera to understand its environment, choose to collect data in a space that is well lit, includes high contrast items, and has a good sense of three-dimensionality. When collecting data, ensure that the phone is able to see more than a flat, bare table or wall. However, also ensure that background visuals are static. Avoid environments that have moving people or objects. Tap on the screen to visualize the vectors. Each tap produces a single vector at that point in space. Collect a generous amount of data to see patterns. Alternatively, select the button in the lower right-hand corner to automatically place vectors. Tap the record button to take a screenshot or long press the record button to capture video. To see field vector magnitudes, access the settings to include numeric labels. The visual output on the main screen also shows the field strength at any point. Tap on the output box to see each of the three components of the field. Tap again to hide them. As you collect data, move slowly and orient the device so that the magnetometer probes the area of interest. We recommend using portrait orientation to minimize the difference between the location of the magnetometer and the center of the camera screen, where the visualized field vectors are displayed. While the magnetic field source does not need to be in the camera view, ensure that the camera is able to see the environment around it. A lack of environmental anchors will cause recorded data to drift. Tap the refresh button at any time to clear out vectors and to begin recording anew. Although moderate strength magnets pose no danger to mobile devices, such as those you can find in a hardware store or in science classrooms, they can decalibrate the magnetometer. Before each session, we recommend that you ensure that the magnetometer reads an overall magnetic field strength value that is appropriate for your geographic location. Access the app settings to see a map of expected values from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Agency. If your device reads a background field that is significantly different from what it should be, you can recalibrate your device by moving it multiple times in a wide, curved figure-8 motion. Learn more about this project at www.verasoftware.net.